দেশের রাষ্ট্রায়ত্ত ব্যাংকগুলি থেকে মোট ঋণ খেলাপি করা অর্থের পরিমাণ প্রায় 12 লক্ষ কোটি টাকা। আর এই বিপুল অঙ্কের অর্থ ব্যাংক থেকে ঋণ হিসেবে নিয়ে তারপর ইচ্ছাকৃতভাবে পরিশোধ না করা সেই সব ঋণ খেলাপিদের নিয়ে ঠিক কি ব্যবস্থা নিচ্ছে কেন্দ্র? রাজ্যসভায় এই ব্যাপারে বিশদ তথ্য চেয়ে প্রশ্ন তুললেন তৃণমূল সাংসদ ঋতব্রত বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়।
শ্রী ঋতব্রতা ব্যানার্জি।
Thank you, sir. Sir, roughly the return of loans for the nationalized banks tends to around 12 lakh crore. It has been written off by the nationalized banks. The recovery rate from the answer that the amount of recovered loan is 1,26,000 plus, that is roughly 10%. Through you, sir, I want to know from the Honorable Minister that can the Honorable Minister please provide the House with the details of the top 20 willful defaulters in India as on date, and state specifically what action has been taken to recover the outstanding amounts from these willful defaulters. It will be greatly appreciated if the Honorable Minister can furnish a written response on this with details.
Supplementary to Shri Rithabrata Banerjee.
Sir, my specific question was that the nationalized banks, overall 16.35 lakh crores have been written off. Overall, the nationalized bank amount is 12 lakh crores. Of that, the answer that is given by the government, it shows that the recovery rate is 1,26,000. That is merely 10%. So 90% of the loans is not recovered. Now my second supplementary, through you, sir, I want to know, can the ministry please state the details of the cases where the government has taken recapitalization measures for public sector banks facing a high volume of non-performing assets. Please also state the details of the funds for recapitalization released to these banks in the last 5 years. I will urge through you, sir, I need a specific answer. The earlier answer was not at all specific.
Bureau Report, Aaj Bangla।